Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom. That was a misclick. To the very bottom and enter system and update. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options then I highly recommend to check our video of how to enable them just by using the build number, and then come back to this tutorial. Of course, if you want to learn more about the developer options, again check that tutorial about them because we've got a lot of tips. So after entering the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on, but if you've got it turned off, just like here, let's tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, but be aware that you really have to restart this device, so you don't have to remember about the updates, but remember about restarting it from time to time. So basically that's all. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.